Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on October the 19th, 2020. Europe stocks ended high due to LVMH and vaccine news. By the end of trading on Friday, stock indices of Western European countries rose thanks to encouraging reports from LVMH, Moet, Hennessy, Louis Vuitton SA, as well as a message about a vaccine against coronavirus. Apparel stocks posted one of the best gains on Friday, with LVMH up 7.3%. The composite index of the largest enterprises in the region, Stoxx Europe 600, rose by 1.26% and amounted to 367.48 points. The growth of the indicator became the maximum in about 3 weeks. The British FTSE 100 indicator rose 1.49%, the German DAX 1.62%, the French CAC 42.03%. Italy's FTSE MIB and Spain's IBEX 35 added 1.7% and 0.48% respectively. On Friday, investors' optimism was supported by a message from Pfizer, which intends to apply for permission to use the coronavirus vaccine, which it is developing with Germany's BioNTech by the end of November. China responds with export controls to U.S. actions. According to state media reports, China has passed legislation restricting the export of controlled goods, allowing the government to act against countries that abuse export controls in a way that is detrimental to China's interests. To target country was named in news report late Saturday night, but the United States angered Beijing last month by restricting exports to Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corp., China's largest chip maker, and took various steps against Huawei Technologies Co. and others. The new Chinese law passed on Saturday by the Standing Committee of the National People's Congress, the country's highest legislative body, will enter into force on December the 1st. According to a statement on the website of the National People's Congress, the controlled goods include military and nuclear products, as well as other goods, technologies, and services and related data. Alibaba seals a $3 billion deal with Sun Art. Alibaba Group Holdings said Monday that it is going to invest $3.6 billion to increase its stake in hypermarket operator Sun Art Retail Group Ltd. This step will strengthen its position in the Chinese retail market. Sun Art shares soared more than 20% at Monday's opening after the statement. The e-commerce giant hopes to continue leveraging its digital presence to support 481 Sun Art hypermarkets and 3 mid-sized supermarkets in China. The move comes as Alibaba steadily expands its presence in the offline retail sector in China as the growth of traditional e-commerce slows. Alibaba, which already owned 21% of Sun Art through a division, will increase its stake to about 72% by acquiring a similar stake in ART Retail Holdings, which owns 51% of Sun Art. Andrew Forrest buys back R.M. Williams to Australia. Australian mining billionaire Andrew Forrest said his private company bought the shoemaker R.M. Williams from a foundation backed by French fashion giant LVMH, Moet, Hennessy, Louis Vuitton SE. This move has returned ownership of the famous fashion brand to its country 6 years later. In a statement, the founder and major shareholder of Fortescue Metals Group Ltd. said that he is incredibly proud to bring back a manufacturing icon that has a long and proud history of high-quality Australian artisanship. Forrest did not reveal the price, but the Australian Financial Survey said it was around 190 million Australian dollars, $135 million. This would be a markdown from the roughly 500 million Australian dollars the local media reported was R.M. Williams' valuation when LVMH-backed private equity firm Al Caterton listed the asset for sale in 2019.